All right, so this is another quick experiment of mine. So I actually just tried to solder today, and I made these connections on the back of this solar panel that I had lying around that's connected up to a multimeter here. So what I'm planning on doing here is kind of measuring the change in voltage when different amounts of light are shined onto the solar panel. So I'm gonna get started with this. So basically, first I'm gonna turn on the multimeter so we can see what's going on. So right now, it's showing 0.88, 0.87 volts between the positive and the negative end of the solar panel. Now I'm gonna turn off the light, and we can see 0.79. So it went slightly down, 0.80. Went very slightly, like 1/10 of a volt down. And now, if I turn on the light and I turn my flash on, so wait, let's just check. It's back to around 0.9, 0.8. Turn the flash on. Now that the flash is on, we can see on the multimeter showing a much higher voltage of 1.3, 1.2-ish, which I think is really cool because this allows us to, like, the voltage itself changes based on the distance between the light source and the solar panel. So if I'm really up close, I get like 1.5, but if I'm farther away, it goes down to 1.1. And yeah, so that's all. Thought it was a quick little thing that I wanted to show you, and it's a cool experiment.